Great Lake Views. Lot 11 and 12 South East County Road 3259 is a wonderful 2+ acres with mature trees for amazing shade. Build your dream home here in the quiet community of Oakridge Heights, where they offer a boat ramp for all of your boating needs and the country life you have been wanting to live. Make this your peaceful getaway for the summer, or your forever spot. Come take a look today and start building your dreams tomorrow. Oakridge Heights requires 1,600 square feet of living space to build. Seller will consider selling lots separately. For more information or to view this property, call the Teel team at 903 874 0001. That's 903 874 0001.